Today, we're going to talk about how to set up a timer like this that counts up in decimals and not frames. Because what you might have seen if we go to the edit page is with your standard text plus notes, you can right click on that text entry field and go to time code. And this will give you some cool options for timing. But if I scrub forward, that far right number is frames. And it's not an actual decimal count, which kind of limits some of the effects that we can do. So to fix that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control Z, and we're going to actually hop into the Fusion page. If you are newer to Fusion, you don't have to be alarmed. We're going to keep it very simple. What I want you to do is either right click and hit Open in Fusion, or hit this little magic wand when your playhead is over your text plus note. And this will take you into the Fusion page. Now, all that we need to do this is right click again in your text field, but instead of doing time code or text timer, go down and hit expression. Now, all I want you to do, this whole expression will be in the description ready for you to copy and paste. If you're curious about what this means, this is an expression for Fusion that looks at the current time and it divides it by the current frame rate. That's all that this means. And the %.2f is your significant figures. So if you want it to have 2 decimal points, leave it at 2. If you want it to have 4, change this to a 4. But all we need to do is drag and select this, copy, go into our expression field down here, not up top here, our expression field, and hit paste and enter. And bam, you are done. Again, if I wanted this to have 4 significant figures, hit enter, and now we've got 4 significant figures. And real quick, if you want this to count backwards instead of up, what you need to do is you need to determine whatever total length that you want. So let's say we want this to be 8 seconds long. Perfect. And now what I want you to do, and this might seem a little weird again, if you're newer to DaVinci Resolve, is what I want you to do is I want you to right click and hit new compound clip. And what this is going to do is it's going to bake in our timer into a new clip. Go ahead and hit that. Hit OK, and now all you need to do is on your new compound clip, go over to speed change and hit reverse. And now this will count down. And for some reason, if you want to change your text, you can right click on your compound clip and hit open in timeline. And now you have your original text clip to work with. I'm going to leave a couple links to some expression sheets that are really useful in the description. And if you have more questions, be sure to join the Discord.